The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQ Silver Aero is a breathtaking fusion of the brand's heritage and its electric future. Inspired by the legendary W125 Silver Aero from 1937, this concept car reimagines vintage racing aesthetics with futuristic technology and pure electric performance. Its body is a single-seater sculpture carved from lightweight carbon fiber and coated in an aluminum silver finish that glows like liquid metal under the light. The long, low-slung profile hugs the road, with an aerodynamically optimized form that flows seamlessly from nose to tail. The front features a seamless LED light strip, digital grille with illuminated star pattern, and slim air channels sculpted into the sides. The wheels are partially covered with rose gold centerlock hubs and turbine-inspired rims that enhance airflow and visual drama. A thin illuminated fin runs along the rear spine, connecting to a wide LED tail light that stretches across the rear, emphasizing the car's width and power. Climb into the cockpit and the driver is transported into a race-ready command center with futuristic luxury. The interior is wrapped in polished aluminum, genuine leather, suede, and walnut wood. A retrofuturistic steering wheel features integrated touch panels and a curved touchscreen. A panoramic dashboard screen projects essential data while a virtual race coach assists in real time. The driver's seat is molded into the monocoque body, giving a race car feel, while every surface is focused on performance and control. The dramatic glass canopy overhead opens upwards like a fighter jet, enhancing the sense of drama and theater. The Vision EQ Silver Aero is fully electric, powered by an advanced battery pack that delivers up to 550 kilowatts, equivalent to around 750 horsepower. The acceleration is immediate and silent, sending the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds. The low center of gravity, lightweight construction, and active aerodynamic elements give it razor-sharp handling and incredible road grip. Torque vectoring ensures optimal cornering performance, while the vehicle's adaptive suspension maintains stability at high speeds. Though not built for production, this machine showcases what's possible when electric propulsion meets artistic automotive design. It's not just a car, it's a moving sculpture, a tribute to racing history, and a bold statement of the future of high-performance electric mobility. Across any surface. But more than numbers, it's the experience that matters, the complete absence of noise, the gliding sensation of movement, and the intelligent response to road and traffic conditions. The Lincoln Model L100 is a bold statement of where luxury mobility is headed. It's not just a car, it's a vision of serenity, intelligence, and elevated design. In a world shifting toward autonomous electric futures, the Model L100 stands out as a symbol of elegance, innovation, and timeless ambition. This is the kind of future Lincoln imagines, not just built for the road, but for the soul.